प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, मैं नरेंद्र सिंह निकेला, सह आचार्य कृषि प्रसार शिक्षा, गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज चिमनपुरा। आज हम BSc पार्ट फर्स्ट ईयर के ह्यूमन वैल्यूज एंड एथिक्स कोर्स में चैप्टर नंबर 7 डिसीजन मेकिंग के बारे में चर्चा करेंगे। निर्णयन क्षमता व्यक्ति को व्यक्तिगत जीवन में, पारिवारिक जीवन में, सामाजिक जीवन में, संगठन में समय समय पर महत्वपूर्ण निर्णय लेने होते हैं और इन निर्णयों पर भावी प्रगति निर्भर करती है। इसलिए निर्णय लेना एक महत्वपूर्ण कार्य है। So first of all, we will discuss about the meaning and definition of decision making. The term decision making means the process of deciding about something important, especially in a group of people or in an organization. This is the Oxford Advanced Learner Dictionary meaning of decision making. Now, in its simplest sense, decision making is the act of choosing between two or more courses of action. In the wider process of problem solving, decision making involves choosing between the possible solutions to a problem. Decisions can be made through either an intuitive based on feelings or on a response based on logic process or a combination of the two. We can also define decision making as the process of making choices by identifying a decision, gathering information, and assessing alternative solutions. Decision making involves the selection of a course of action from among two or more possible alternatives in order to arrive at a solution for a given problem. Decision making involves the thought process of selecting a logical choice from the available options. When trying to make a good decision, a person must weigh the positives and negatives of each option and consider all the alternatives. Decision can be defined as a course of action purposely chosen from a set of alternatives to achieve organization or managerial objectives or goals. So these are some definitions of decision making. Now we will discuss about the decision making in life. हम जीवन में निर्णय किस प्रकार से लें ताकि हमारा जीवन सुगम हो, सरल हो और प्रगतिशील हो. So we will discuss about the decision making in life. Our decision determine the outcome of our life. So if you want life to work out the way you want it to, then make sure you keep making right decisions. Events in our life shape us and our choices define us. People forget the great power they hold within that will shape their life, and they ignore the importance of decision making. Our life is designed by the choices we make. You are the one of who chooses how to live your life or create your life path. So make the decision which will take your life in the direction of you want. Success and failure are not overnight experiences. It is the small decisions along the way that cause people to fail or succeed. Sometimes we rush into making decisions and regret the choices we made. A hasty decision could lead to long term disappointment. इसलिए हमेशा जल्दी में निर्णय ना लें। जल्दी करने का तात्पर्य होता है गलती करना, लेकिन निर्णयों को बहुत लंबे समय तक भी नहीं खींचें, क्योंकि कई बार अवसर है वो देर तक डिसीजन नहीं लेने के कारण हाथ से निकल जाता है. सो इट इज बेस्ट टू थिंक थ्रो everything very clearly, but don't delay the decisions too long, because sometimes you will go past the point where your decisions matters. Some tips for making decisions in life: define the goal and objectives of your life. Take into account all important factors that matter, like your family, background, available resources, prevailing circumstances, values, and ethics. Third one is, based on the above, think of all possibilities, alternatives to reach to the goal of your life. Fourth one is, consult your friends, family members, and obtain their suggestions. Weigh all the alternatives, accord them priority, and choose the best one. Sixth one, take your own decision. Seventh, learn to take timely decisions, but don't take hasty decisions. Eighth, try out the decision on a pilot basis. Ninth, review the outcomes. And tenth one is, repeat the same process and revise the decisions based on the outcomes. So this is the decision making in life. Now we will discuss about the decision making in organization. Decision making is a very important both in personal life as well as for the organization. Decision making is an integral part of modern management. Decision making process can be regarded as check and balance system that keeps the organization growing both in vertical and linear directions. It means that decision making process seeks a goal. The goal are preset business objectives, company missions, and its vision. To achieve these goals, company may face a lot of obstacles in administrative front, marketing wings, and operational domains. Such problems are sorted out through comprehensive decision making process. No decision comes as an end in itself, since it may evolve new problems to solve. When one problem is solved, another arises, and so on. Hence, decision making is a continuous and dynamic process. Decision making is taken as a primary function of any management. Every manager takes hundreds and hundreds of decisions subconsciously or consciously, making in the key component in the role of a manager. Decision play important role as and they determine both organizational and managerial activities. Decision making process is continuous and indispensable component of managing any organizations or business activity. Decisions are made to sustain the activities of all business and organizational functioning. Decisions are made at every level of management to ensure organizational or business goals are achieved. Further, the decisions make up one of core functional values that every organization adopts and implements to ensure optimum growth and development in terms of services and or products offered. Decision making process is a consultative affair done by a committee of professionals to run any organization in a better way. Since it is an ongoing activity, decision making process plays vital importance in the functioning of an organization. As intellectual minds are involved in the process of decision making, it requires solid scientific knowledge coupled with skills and experience in addition to mental maturity. A lot of time is consumed while decisions are taken in a management setting. Decision cannot be taken abruptly. Thank you very much.